Forget boring flat color text. Gradient text is trendy these days. Blending fluid colors through letters and words takes the text from dull to juicy really fast. In fact, eye-popping gradient text grabbed attention instantly. And now making colorful gradient text in Canva just got way easier. Canva recently launched a new text tool called TypeGradient that lets you quickly make gradient text. Before, this required more work in Canva. With TypeGradient, adding gradient text to your Canva designs take only seconds. Just type what you want, then pick pretty color gradients, fonts and text directions. This new Canva app offers creative freedom to try ideas fast. In fact, using TypeGradient is super simple. First open Canva and click Apps on the left sidebar. Now, search for TypeGradient by typing the name into the search bar and then open it. A TypeGradient window pops up in the left sidebar. Now, type any text you want. Change fonts if you want. In the next step, click the color for bar under the text. Here you can select preset gradients or make custom ones. You can also shift the color stops around. This controls where colors start and end in the text. It's fun to see how the colors blend through letters as you drag stops. After picking colors, change the gradient direction. Flow colors diagonally, vertically and more. This makes the text looks even cooler. Then just add the artsy gradient text to your Canva design. You can resize and move it to perfect the look. The best part of TypeGradient is testing ideas fast. Type anything anew and match gradients, fonts and directions. This flexibility boosts creativity. So next time you use Canva, don't forget this new artistic text effect tool. Making gradients is now crazy fast and easy. Just open TypeGradient, customize gradient colors or direction, then put it on your design, or create multiple gradient text to make cool backgrounds. Canva boosts creativity by launching new helpful apps like this. TypeGradient removes previous frustrations around gradient text. So give it a try next time you hop on Canva, then show off your artsy new gradient text designs to impress.